There is a reason why you want to know the exact dates, words, and places of your partner's affair, even though you know it will hurt the moment you hear the answer, and that these details might haunt you later. This need is connected to the intolerance of uncertainty, which refers to finding ambiguous and uncertain situations threatening. After betrayal, everything about the relationship, your partner, your future, and maybe even your own judgment become uncertain. You might temporarily question what is real and what isn't. Although getting all the graphic details about the affair feels painful, the alternative, staying with uncertainty, seems even more unbearable. Your mind is trying to recover a sense of safety you have just lost. Unfortunately, getting these details rarely brings the relief that you're expecting. You get an answer and you might feel some relief, but then you have another urgent question to ask and another one, and this soon turns into a loop. That's because the real need isn't met. You don't want to know all the details, you want to feel safe again. And to restore safety, you need to be able to distinguish between urges that keep you in the loop and those that help you restore safety. All the facts and graphic details about the affair feed the loop, whereas information such as knowing that contact has ended, your partner regrets the affair, and is committed to repairing the relationship can start restoring a sense of safety. Here's something practical that you can use. Before you ask a question you already suspect will hurt, pause and ask yourself, will the answer help me feel safer? Or will it just give me minutes of relief before the next question shows up? And to help support yourself in these moments, ask yourself whether there is a touch that could help you self-soothe. Maybe you could give yourself a self-hug. Or you can ask yourself whether you have the capacity to ask for and receive a hug from your partner. When you focus on rebuilding safety rather than trying to solve uncertainty the affair has caused, you aid your own recovery.